So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix the uninstall error of Windows 11 which says 0x800509005. So let's get started. In order to do this, what you have to do, press Windows plus R and type this percentage local app data percentage and click OK. Once you do this, you have to search for this packages folder, then open it, and then you have to search for this folder which says microsoft.aad.broker plugin. Just open this folder, and then here you'll find the settings folder. Just open settings folder, and then what you have to do is rename this setting dat file. Just right click on this and rename it to settings old.dat. Once you do this, just restart your PC and your problem should be solved. If your problem still occurs, make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. We bring more tutorials like this, so make sure to follow us, to subscribe our channel so you can get the latest updates from our channel. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below, and thanks for watching.